all those people at Jantar Mantar protest, keep going because victory is coming over to you. Because let me tell you one thing through the astrology perspective. First, the Gupt Navratra got over. The Ma, the Divine Mother, Vijay Shalini, the demolisher of all demons, stands with righteousness and dharma. We all know who is portraying that right now. Second thing, Mercury is coming out of retrograde on 26th July. What happens in Mercury retrograde is past things comes up. More like your mind barely works in that time if your Mercury is not strong. Also, all the past things, past regimes, all the conversations that you thought were over, everything that was put under the covers or was done underground, was under the piles, starts to come up again and again, and it comes at such a pace that it cannot be stopped. Just the moment Mercury comes out of retrograde, Saturn goes into retrograde, forcing you to contemplate each and every decision you made throughout your life, each and every conversation that you had, each and every decision that you made. So basically, all the guilt and all the stuff that came up during the time of Mercury retrograde, now the Saturn will force you to contemplate and make the change if required. If what happens throughout history during Saturn retrogrades is all regimes falls, the systems that do not work fall, because this is not Guru that will let you go or forgive you. This is Saturn. No one escapes Saturn's gaze. Even Hanumanji was fallen to Saturn's gaze, but seeing his devotion towards Lord Ram, Saturn immediately had to let him go because he was working for something bigger than himself. Third thing, Saturn gives karma. He is the giver of karma. He will give the result of all the karma. And we all know where this is headed, right?